All right, so tonight is beer tasting part 2 in Krakow. These are the 5 beers we have selected. We hope they're good. We're not sure what we're going to get, but we're going to find out. So let's pop them open and start pouring. First beer tonight is a Harnaś or a Harnaś or something. I don't know how to pronounce it in Polish, but in America it would be a Harnaś. Got it poured here. It's a lager. It looks like all the other ones that we've tasted so far. And I'll see how it is. Unsurprisingly, it tastes like the other ones we've tried so far. That may be a growing trend here, but it's really good. I like it.
Good. Maybe I like it too.
Maybe it's cheaper than the other ones. We need to check out the prices at the store because I have no idea which ones were the least expensive.
Well, we always buy that anyway.
Amen.
Okay, I'm going to take a sip of the Harnaś and see if I like it. Hopefully I do. I am not as big of a, I don't think it tastes as similar to the other ones as you do. Could be I haven't had alcohol in a couple of days and like my palate is like, has been cleansed and you know, now I can taste it more clearly. It's a little stronger, I think, than the other ones. It has a little bit of an aftertaste is I guess where I'm going. So, I mean, at the end of the night, I'll drink it, but you can have this one if one of the other ones is better.
All right, next up tonight is a Perla. It is in a green bottle, so that's generally better for us than a brown bottle, but we will see. I'm betting it tastes just like the other ones. Let's pour a little bit out here in the glass.
It looks like the other ones.
It sure looks like the other ones. It does not taste like the other ones. It's more of the, it's got a stronger taste. I would put it on the spectrum of Busch Light to Heineken. It's closer to a Heineken than a Busch Light. Still not bad, but it's, if you like a stronger tasting beer, this would be for you.
Okay, that's yours.
No, you have to try it.
I will try it.
You may like it. I liked the Harnaś or whatever you call that one. You didn't like it that much, so upsy daisy.
Okay, so I am trying the Perla, which I don't have high hopes for just based on Garrett's assessment of the beer, but I'll give it a try. Okay, I don't think it tastes like a Heineken. You know what that tastes like to me? A Rolling Rock.
Yeah, I put Rolling Rock and Heineken in the same spectrum.
I don't. No.
Okay.
No, I can drink that.
Good, you got it. All right, next up, another brown bottle, Zateki, if I'm pronouncing that correctly.
Making a mess?
I don't know my own strength when it comes to opening a beer bottle. Pour a little bit of this out here. Again, that normal lager golden color. Different, a little bit odd, not necessarily bad. I'm not sure what to make of this one. I'm going to have to let you give commentary. Let me pour you a little bit and let you decide.
Thank you.
Yep.
So I'm trying the Zateki. I don't know what I think about that. I can't describe it either.
It's different.
It's not good and it's not bad. I would almost say it's more watered. It's like, that's only like 3.87% alcohol. That's what the problem is. It doesn't have alcohol in it.
We are now moving on to our 4th of 5 beers, the Juviek, I think is how you pronounce it, and the only reason why I'm trying to pronounce this is there's a beer garden around the corner from our Airbnb. We've already been there a couple of times, and this is what they sell. This is the light version. We also have the full-bodied version, and we're going to try that next and compare the two. Spoiler alert, we do like them. This is your basic Polish lager. Maybe it's a pale ale. I don't remember which one it is, but I like it. Stephanie likes it. We're going to drink it anyway because it's good. See, nice color. Yeah, good.
Is that your favorite so far?
I think so. It's close with a couple of the other ones. We had a couple from the first tasting that I liked and that you liked, and I like that Harnash, or whatever. But if I'm out and we're at a bar or we're at a restaurant, this will be the one that I look for first, for sure.
Okay. So it sounds to me like what we need to do is have a taste off, like a final four type of thing, to figure out, narrow the field, and pick the final winner.
I think we're going to find out they all taste the same.
Okay.
Pretty close to it. All right, you get to taste some too.
Okay. Okay, so my turn for the Ziviak Light.
You pronounced it wrong.
That's how I pronounced it. Somebody please tell us in the comments below how to say all of these beers. We would really appreciate it. I know I like it. This is like smooth as butter going down. It's probably close to like a Busch Light or something, I would guess.
Put
It's
it
very
down.
easy. What?
Finish it.
Oh. Very good.
All right, we saved another good one for last. The Juviec. Again, pronunciation, I'm not sure. This is the full-blooded version. It is in a brown bottle rather than a green bottle, but it's still good. I will also tell you that some of the beers here in Poland, and I'm not sure if it's all of them or some of them, but if you buy a bottle, you will have to pay a deposit that you can get back, we think, when you return the bottle. We went and bought a couple of today. Specifically, we bought 2 of these, and I was charged, I think, $2 Polish or $1 Polish $1 for each beer as a returnable bottle fee. Something we looked up on Google, tried to figure out how it works. I'm not 100% sure. As best we can tell is some bottles get charged the fee. If you get charged the fee, you should be able to take it back and get a refund. We will find out tomorrow when I go across the street to the convenience store and demand my 2 zloty back, or my $2 Polish back, which is like, 50 cents, but hey, it helps. So anyway, keep that in mind. Let's taste.
It's all those return fees or returnable bottle fees that keep us on the road.
Hey, it's money off your next beer.
That's true.
Also very good. Again, it's got a much stronger taste than the light beer. It's kind of like drinking a Bud Light and a Budweiser. You know what the difference is between the two if you've had them both. It's a very similar difference.
You're drinking that one. I'm drinking the light one.
That's fine. I like it.
Good.
Okay.
I'll try it anyway.
Of course you will. Yeah.
Okay, my turn to try the Juviec. I don't know if I said that right. Juviec.
That's better, but I don't know. The guy at the bar probably told us wrong. Ha ha ha, look at those Americans. They'll pronounce it wrong.
We did try to Google it, and we saw a YouTube video, and it had 4 different people saying it, and they all said it different. So I don't know what to say. It's good. We liked it. We've tried it. We've had it at the beer garden, and it is stronger than the last one. It's definitely yours, but in a pinch, I would drink it. I hope you liked this week's video. Come back each and every Thursday to see where our adventures take us next. Check out our blog at slowtravelchronicles.com. We also have Instagram, also under Slow Travel Chronicles. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all of the things. It really does help our channel out. We hope you have a great week, and we'll see you next Thursday.